Hey guys, Alina with iFoodReal.com here. Today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer chicken wings. They're much healthier than their deep fried counterparts, and yet they come out super crispy outside. And we will also do 3 most popular flavors for them. Let's do it. We start by preheating the air fryer to 380 degrees, and that takes only 5 minutes. And this is the easiest air fryer recipe ever. So you take the chicken wings, you don't even have to wash them. You can, if that's what you're used to, just make sure to pat dry it. And place chicken wings in a single layer in the air fryer basket. Now you air fry the chicken wings for 25 minutes and you have to shake them halfway through. If you use the cooking mode where it reminds you to shake, that's great. Otherwise, just to remember to shake them at 12 to 13 minute mark. This is the time when I absolutely appreciate my extra large Cosori air fryer. It can cook close to a pound of chicken wings at a time. I love it. It's the largest I was able to find. I'm going to link to it in the description below this video. Keep cooking chicken wings for another 13 minutes after shaking, and here they are. They are ready. So this is like your empty blanket canvas chicken wings. Now you can dress them up as you wish. And we're doing 3 flavors. Flavor number 1 is absolutely my favorite, salt and pepper. And all you have to do is place cooked chicken wings in the bowl and sprinkle them with salt and pepper. And I'm using Himalayan pink salt. It is a very nice finishing salt. It adds a lot of flavor. And the trick I learned from my bartending and waitressing days at the pub is to coat the wings evenly, you just shake them in a bowl. If you have a nice deep metal bowl, this process is gonna go even smoother and nicer. How beautiful they look. They're absolutely crispy and juicy. Served with celery and carrot sticks. Delicious. Second flavor is buffalo chicken wings. This is for all hot and spicy lovers. So all you have to do is place cooked chicken wings in a bowl and drizzle with some buffalo sauce. I'm using Frank's Red Hot sauce. And I know many recipes call for butter, but I did not add melted butter because to me it's kind of like deceives the purpose of cooking chicken wings in air fryer and making them less fatty and healthier. But if that's what you like, feel free to add melted butter. Just a couple tablespoons right there. And for blue cheese dipping sauce, I just combined plain yogurt and blue cheese and salt and pepper to taste. Voila! Flavor number 3 is barbecue chicken wings. All you have to do is place cooked chicken wings in a bowl. This is so easy. And drizzle them with your favorite barbecue sauce and a little bit of salt. Our favorite healthier barbecue sauce is Stubbs. Air fryer chicken wings is the easiest air fryer recipe you will ever make. And who doesn't love chicken wings? And how easy are they? And much lower in fat than deep fried ones. Enjoy!